So hey guys, I just want to do a quick video today about the NSC Delid tool. I'm from over in England, and if you're like me and you've tried many different ways of deliding a PlayStation, and normally with 50-50 success, painters knives, dental floss, fishing wire, all these other weird and wonderful ways, I can tell you now the only way to successfully delid these machines is with an NSC Delid tool. I've got a backwards machine here. It just finds its way in there like that. Nice and slow. I mean, you can put grease on there to help. Taking special care around the corners. Ooh. Slow. Be special careful in this corner. And get it far enough you can just start to turn it to avoid any little capacitors like that. And I'm no expert, but I can definitely use this tool and not destroy any more machines. So if you have any doubts and you're thinking about getting one, I highly recommend it. Okay, near the end now. It's hard to do this on camera at the same time. There we go. Smooth, like cut through butter. Keep it clean, keep it sexy. And the last bit, I like to go nice and slow down here. Just gonna go any second. There we go. There we go. Oh yeah. Big up NSC every time.